Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black half sleeve shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try white shirt with dark grey pants and tan loafers. Next you can try blue polo t-shirt with beach pant and black loafers. Next you can try light green half sleeve shirt with light blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with brown pants and black loafers. Next you can try white half sleeve shirt with tan pants and brown loafers. Next you can try blue shirt with tan pants and black sandals. Next you can try grey polo t-shirt with light blue funky jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try tan half sleeve shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 white pants outfit ideas.